Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from image in macOS in three approaches. The first approach, you are going to use the photo app. The second approach, you are going to use the preview app. And the third approach, you are going to use the quick look. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. So to copy text from image in macOS, you need to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any of the steps, okay? So we are going with the first approach, okay, the Photos app. So to use the Photos app, I'm going to use this image for demonstration. So let me open the image and show you. So I'm going to use this image for demonstration, okay? So let me close the image. Then I'll open my photos. So to use my photos to copy text from image, I'll create a new folder under albums. I'll right click on it and click on new folder, okay? And then I'll name it my photos. So this is where I want to store my images or my photos, okay? So I'll drag the image into my photos. I've copied it before, so let me allow for the duplicate. So I'm going to double click on the image, and then I'll hover the mouse over the text, okay, like this. So see, it has changed to the text selection tool. So I'm going to copy the text from the image. I'll right click on the text and click on copy. Then I'll open my text editor, and then I'll paste here, okay, paste. Okay, so now we've copied via the Photos app. This is the first approach, okay? So let me close this and then we go to the second approach. So the second approach, you are going to use the preview app, okay? The preview app. So let me close this. So by using the preview app, you just double click on the image. So it's opening and my Mac is a bit slow today, so please bear with me, okay? Okay, so in this case, you are going to, the same as we did in the photos, you hover the mouse on the image like this. So it will change to the text selection tool, okay, you see. So you are going to copy the text again from the image. Okay, I'll right click on it and then click on copy. Then I'll open my text selection tool and I'll click on paste. Okay, so you see this time around it has copied with the name, okay, the one who wrote the code, okay, Sadi. So let me close it again, and then we are going to use the last approach, the quick look, okay. So to use the quick look, you click on the finder, okay. I've already copied it before, okay. So you press on this, you open it. I'm opening the image, okay. Still loading. So you hover the mouse on the text as we did with the first and the second approach, okay. Okay, so you see it has changed again to the text selection tool. So I'll copy it again. I'll right click on it, click on copy to open your text editor, and then you click on paste. So you see, it's very easy to copy text from image in macOS, and it's very quick. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.